Hello friends, welcome to our kitchen. Let's make a festive favorite Besan Laddu. First, take some cardamom and sugar. Add both to a mixing jar and grind into a fine powder. Now take some ghee and besan or gram flour for the base of our laddus. Heat a kadai or pan on low heat, add the ghee and then add the besan. Saute continuously on low heat to ensure even roasting. After a while, the besan will start releasing the ghee and emit a wonderful aroma. This means the besan is perfectly roasted. Turn off the heat and transfer the mixture into a mixing bowl. Let it cool slightly. It should be warm, not hot. Ingredients list is in description. Let it cool slightly. It should be warm, not hot. Once the mixture is warm, add the prepared cardamom sugar powder and mix thoroughly to blend the flavors. When it cools completely, take a portion in your hands and shape it into round laddus. Your delicious besan laddus are ready. Enjoy this festive treat with family and friends. Celebrate your Diwali with these homemade delights. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating. Bye. Thank you.